Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME 13 and let me share with you how to change video resolution on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app, and currently we are in the standard photo mode, so let's switch to the video one and then enter the settings in the right upper corner. Here we've got this video section, so let's tap on video size, and as you can see we've got three different options, two different HDs, and the difference is in the p-value, so 1080p and 720p, and SD. So all you have to do is to tap on the option you'd like to use. I'll choose this one, and as you can see it is immediately notified right here, which means that from now on your device will use the chosen resolution whilst recording a video. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.